In this lesson, we will learn about image mapping. Image mapping is useful to make different parts of an image interactive. Now, let us insert an image into the layout. Go to the Common tab panel and click on the image. Now, we have chosen this particular image to insert. Click on OK. Now, if we wanted to make different parts of this image interactive, that means when we keep the mouse cursor on a particular part of this image, it should work like a button. That means by clicking it, it should be navigated to a specific page. To do so, we need to map the hotspots on this image. Now, let us see how to map a hotspot on this image. To draw hotspots on this image, first we should select the image. Now, in the Properties bar, we find the Hotspot tools. Here we have a rectangular hotspot tool, oval hotspot tool, and polygonal hotspot tool. First, take the rectangular one and draw a hotspot, and another one, two rectangular hotspots, and take the oval. For this area, we use the oval hotspot tool. Now, I wanted to draw a hotspot only to this ceiling part of this picture. So I can take a rectangular hotspot tool to draw the desired shape. So by using this tool, we can draw the hotspot in desired shape. So here, we could draw three different types of hotspots. Now, we can set links to these hotspot areas to navigate to different pages. For example, to this hotspot, here we can set the link. We can browse a page untitled 3HTML. That means when this particular area is clicked, the web page will be navigated to this untitled 3HTML. Again, we can set up a link for the other hotspot, untitled 2. In this way, we can set links to these hotspots. Now, let us see how our hotspots appear in a browser. Go to Preview in Internet Explorer, save the page. Here we have hotspots on the image. See, when we place the mouse cursor on the hotspot area, a hand symbol appears showing that particular part is interactive. Just by clicking on it, it will be navigated to the page which we have linked up. In this way, we can map an image with hotspots in Dreamweaver.